Hi, it's September 1st. It's very important whether or not you're an expert mortgage agent or an expert realtor or a client that has a mortgage or even somebody that doesn't have a mortgage but looking to get one. It's important that you are always aware of what's going on with the market today. We're in the middle of the pandemic, things change so rapidly. Now, knowing what they are gives us the ability to give expert advice. And also, if you're the one that has the mortgage right now, it'll give you insights on what you may need to do to take advantage of the current market conditions. Welcome to our EMA Mortgage channel. We will provide you information and insights to mortgage-related content. Welcome Canada, welcome GTA West, Southwest Ontario. That's you Milton, that's you Mississauga, Georgetown, Brampton, Caledon, Guelph, Cambridge, Kitchener, Burlington, Hamilton, Ancaster, and Toronto. Hi everyone, welcome back. It's the beginning of September and we're still in the middle of the pandemic, but things have opened up. We're back to stage 3 of reopening. I just want to get back to you guys and give you a quick update on what's going on in both the real estate and the mortgage markets. We're currently seeing historical low mortgage rates today. Rates are still falling. I saw 5 lenders reduce their interest rate yesterday and 2 more this morning. Our buyers have access to some of the lowest rates on the market right now. So if you're a prospective buyer and you haven't spoken to a mortgage expert in the last 3 to 4 months, it might be a good idea to reach out because we can rework your number, make sure that you understand what the current mortgage payments may look like with the lowest rates that we have access to. For those individuals that currently hold a mortgage rate at 3% or higher, it may be a good idea to reach out to your mortgage experts. So one of the considerations may be paying a small penalty to get into another lender or another mortgage or even the same mortgage provider and get today's current rates. That might work well better for you in the long run. Now, for the individuals that have mortgages that's due in the next month, 2 months, or maybe even 3 months from now, there's no rush. You might be better off waiting and seeing how the fall market looks like. So fall markets is where historically we're seeing a lot of deeper discounts compared to the other summer or winter markets and stuff. So we continue to see some Equifax issues. So they adopted a new scoring system. Equifax has adopted a new scoring system, and that caused some discrepancies on what a client may see when they pull a credit score versus what us lenders see in terms of the multiple credit scores that we see. Now, if you're a Mortgage Alliance client, as we are experts from Mortgage Alliance, the Mapolo app pulls from TransUnion. So that scoring system is a little bit different from the Equifax scoring system. The TransUnion lately has been very valuable to us as we pull that credit history, credit score. It's actually, some of the lenders are using that as we can get more consistency in the scoring on the TransUnion right now. I'm sure Equifax will fix things up and will be good moving forward. Finance Minister Bill Morneau left the cabinet. Let me tell you a little bit about a few of the changes that he's implemented since he became the finance minister. So there's a few of them. He actually started the new mortgage stress test on insured mortgages. He's also added the new mortgage stress test on uninsured mortgages. He's increased the minimum down payment requirements. Right now it's at 5% for the first $500,000 of the purchase price and 10%. After the first $500,000 to just under $1 million. And any purchase price $1 million or over will need to have 20% down payment or more. Now, he's also implemented a fee increase on the mortgage securitization. He's increased the capital requirements for banks and default insurers. And he's increased the home buyer plan limit to $35,000 per borrower, and originally it was $25,000 per borrower. Our new finance minister is Chrystia Freeland. Now, being in September, we are facing a lot of the schools reopening. It's a stressful time for parents and students alike. Now, for parents, obviously, it's a question of should we or should we not send our kids back to school, given that we're still in the middle of a pandemic. That's very evident. We think about, we balance out the safety of our kids with obviously the necessity to provide education for them. Now let's look at some of the economic reports coming from TD Economics and RBC Economics. TD Economics is saying that strong home sales in July and strong retail sales in June. We're expecting V-shaped recoveries. Now for RBC Economics is saying that home sales surpassed pre-COVID levels. The demand and supply conditions are very tight right now and almost the tightest in almost 2 decades. Buyers far exceeded the sellers last month. COVID-19 turned seasonal patterns upside down. The spring market stopped, so normally it's very busy during the spring market. Now, that spring market moved into the summertime. It's usually slower in the summertime. Now, being in August and September, we're really, really busy, and it looks like this summertime activity will lead into the next busy season for us, which is the fall. Looking like that the cooling off, or if there's any slowdown at all, it might happen later on in the year in the wintertime. In speaking with a few of our buyers and our realtor partners, it seems to be that most buyers want a house. Now, they'll sacrifice being in the city. So a lot of them are leaving the city to go move to the suburbs and stuff so that they can get the house. Another important update is in regards to mortgage deferral payments. Currently, we are now have access to a maximum of 3 months mortgage deferral payments, where a few months ago we can get you up to 6 months mortgage deferrals. This is applicable now until the end of September. Now, starting October 2020 and moving forward, any special rules that were taken into effect because of the pandemic will be removed moving forward. I see excitement and opportunities in the real estate market. If you're looking for homes, make sure you're prepared. Let's celebrate and be thankful for today. Please wear your mask and be safe.